You randomly select 16 coffee shops and measure the temperature of the latte sold at each. The sample mean temperature is 162 degrees Fahrenheit with a sample standard deviation of 10 degrees. Assume the temperatures are normally distributed. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the population mean temperature of the coffee sold. Interpret the results. So our sample size is only 16. However, we know that it's normally distributed, so we're okay. X bar is 162, S is 10, and C is 0.95. So now let's use the t-interval on the calculator. So I'm going to type all of the information under the t-interval command on the calculator, and then press calculate. So our confidence interval is 156.67 to 167.33. So that is our confidence interval, and what that means is, with 95% confidence, we can say that the true population mean temperature of coffee sold is between 156.67 degrees Fahrenheit and 167.33 degrees Fahrenheit.